Day 3. Building control through anchors. Welcome to Day 3. Today, we will focus on deepening your ability to build control through anchors. Simple physical gestures that you can use to instantly bring yourself into a state of calm and control. Let's lay down, and we will start with alternative nostril breathing. Close your right nostril with your thumb and inhale slowly through the left nostrils. Now, close the left nostril with your ring finger and exhale through the right. Inhale through the right and exhale through the left. Continue this for a few more cycles. Allow this breathing technique to relax you more and more. Now, begin to bring your awareness to your body again. This time by tensing and releasing various muscles. Start by gently clenching your toes. Hold for a moment and release. Feel the relaxation spread through your feet. Now move to your calves. Tense and hold and release. Continue this for entire body, guiding through tensing and releasing each muscle's group. Take your time, there is no rush. Now, as you press your thumb and index finger together, repeat your personal mantra. I am in control of my mind and body. Feel the strength of this anchor, knowing that whenever you press these fingers together, you will instantly feel calm and in control. Each time you use this gesture, your mind will remember the calm and control you have cultivated here. You have the ability to steer your experiences with ease and confidence. Now, I'd like you to visualize a calm, still lake. The water is perfectly still, and you're holding a small pebble in your hand. As you gently drop the pebble into the water, watch as the ripples slowly expand and fade away. These ripples represent your body's responses, gently fading as you maintain control. Slowly, back to your body. Become aware of the environment around you. When you are ready, take a deep breath and slowly come back fully into the present moment, carrying the sense of calm and control with you.